Have you ever heard of ONVIF in the video surveillance area? And why does it actually matter to pay attention to ONVIF support when selecting a network-based device such as, network camera or a network video recorder and the access control systems, terminals, or any other security appliance based on the IP network protocol? The goal of this video is to answer those questions. You're in the People Systems channel. My name is Daniel. We begin.
Subscribe to People Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
In simple words, ONVIF is an acknowledged standard among IP-based security products. And what it does is that it allows the appliance of different manufacturers to communicate between each other and kind of go beyond that limitations and the fact that they are products of different companies. The easiest way I know to explain this is the example-based English language, that is the world's most universal language, which is kind of an, again, acknowledged middle link between different languages and all nationalities, so as ONVIF, but for network-based security products. But let me show you on an example practically. So here's a Dahua network video recorder and here's a Hikvision network camera, and different companies. Considering that both Dahua and Hikvision are members of ONVIF and are having ONVIF protocols supported in their devices, that means we totally can connect Hikvision camera to Dahua network video recorder, or backwards. So, to show you, I'm transmitting power and network to camera via LAN cable coming from the PoE switch. And here, I'm powering Dahua recorder with 12-volt power supply coming from an outlet and transmitting the network from a switch to it. Now, let me show you this on my computer. So, I have already activated Dahua 4116 ONVR and Hikvision 2CD 1031 network camera. And I'm going to Dahua recorders interface. Let me go to my Internet Explorer. That suits like for the most manufacturers always. I'm pasting the IP address on my NVR and now I'm logging in. Let me get into no disk. All right, doesn't matter for us now. Now, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to go to the Live tab. To show you it is empty here. Yeah, you see this list. Usually cameras appear right here on our left. So it's empty here and not a single channel is taken by any device yet. And now I want to add a Hikvision network camera to a channel number 1 on the ONVR. And to do that, I gotta activate the ONVIF channel on Hikvision camera. And a little note, Dahua's ONVIF channel is commonly active from the box, but for the Hikvision appliance, it has to be turned on manually. So now I'm going to Hikvision camera's web interface by pasting its IP address. Now I can log in. There we go. Now, we need configuration. This is the network tab, advanced settings, and the integration protocol, the last tab right here. Now, as you can see, enable ONVIF, that's only a one button here. But, usually you gotta create a new user for a Hikvision appliance specifying, like this one. But I don't know, I had this one from the box, so I'm just enabling the ONVIF, save succeeded, all right. I'm reloading and see that, yes, the ONVIF is enabled. I close this one and getting back to the video recorder, and I'm gonna add the camera. So I'm going to cameras. There we go. And I'm gonna search for devices within my subnet. Let us see. Oh, still doesn't find. Okay, a few more devices. But sometimes, yeah, you just have to wait. But now, what you can see right now, type DS2CD 1031i is a Hikvision's camera that we're about to add right now, and the manufacturer is ONVIF. This is how it looks when you're adding one device via ONVIF channel to another. So I'm checking the box and pressing add. Quality element reached. Now what you see is the red, and we need to modify it right now. So what we do this. Mode channel 1, total channel is 1, manufacturer ONVIF, IP address is correct. This is actually no matter now, it will be done automatically. What we need is to input a password. I'm pressing OK. Operation succeeded. It's still red, but we're gonna wait just a bit till it gets green. Let me re-upload the page. Or I wouldn't do that so easy. All right, gotta get in again. Now disk, all right. Settings, camera. And now the status here is green, meaning that now we can actually view the Hikvision camera through the Dahua recorder and even go to the settings, go into storage, go into schedule, select the channel number 1 out of all 16, because on this version we've got a Hikvision camera, and turn on the recording by days, by weeks, like anytime you want, like 24/7. But now we're gonna go to a live view. Hold on, I'm gonna close these, I'm gonna go into live. And now, as you can see, one camera appeared here. I'm gonna press it. And it should appear here. I see this stream. Okay. And there we go. I'm gonna preview. Hello, that's my hand. That's Val. Val, say hi to everyone. Yeah, there you can see. But this is how it does. And this is how ONVIF actually should work for you. All depending on profiles. And we are going to talk about this right now. The example with Dahua and Hikvision devices, well, is the essence of solution that ONVIF offers. In the small scale though. But there are some details worth talking about. And this is an ONVIF conformance profiles. And you see, there's a few of them, and every single one has its own specific feature set. And consequently, to make security devices of different manufacturers communicate with each other, they should have identical ONVIF conformance profiles supported on them, on both ends. This is how it works. There is a clear division. Profile A and C are relevant for everything related to access control systems, but the profiles G, Q, S, and T are used among video systems. And there is also a division by type: IP device, such as cameras, video recorder, access control terminal, and the client, the video management software. So, more closely, Profile A provides a support for access control configuration functionality, that is, granting, revoking credentials, creating schedules, and assigning access rules. Device conformant to A profile can retrieve information, status, events, and configure the access rules, the same credentials and schedules. Profile A conformant client provides configurations of access rules, credentials, and schedules. And with Profile A, the client can also retrieve and receive standardized access control related events. Profile C is used for door control and event management, such as site information and configuration, events, and alarm management. And, door access control. With Profile G, we get into IP-based video systems, and specifically this one is responsible for edge storage and retrieval, allowing devices to configure, request, and control recording to receive audio and metadata stream. A Profile C device, as an IP camera or video encoder, is one that can record video data over a network or on a device itself. A Profile G client, like a video management software used on a computer, can configure, request, and control recording of video data on a conformant device over a network. And the profile also supports audio receiving and metadata stream if the client supports it. Profile Q is about the device discovery within the network, basic configuration of ones, and taking control of Profile Q conformant devices. Like Profile Q conformant client can discover, configure, and control a conformant device over the network. Profile Q also supports TLS Secure Communication Protocol. Now, the Profile S is the basic one for IP video systems, used for video streaming and configuration of it, meaning that Profile S conformant IP camera or video encoder as a device to send video over network to video management software conformant to Profile S, which in its turn is able to configure, request, and control video streaming over a network. And also Profile S supports PTZ devices, control over network, audio, streaming, multicasting, and relay outputs. Now the Profile T is a next level, intended for advanced video streaming. It supports H.264 and 265 encoding formats, imaging settings, and alarm events such as motion and tampering detection. although you won't find much supported devices here, even though a majority of manufacturers adopted H.265 compression rate support for quite a time, but it doesn't seem like they are willing to share that with other manufacturers. And what's convenient is that beforehand you can easily check if the new devices you're considering to get are supporting a required ONVIF profiles. Let me just type it in here in the browser. So in order to make them integrate with your existing system made by another manufacturer. So what's nice is that we can go to ONVIF website. Now we can press the conformance devices, let it load a bit, and check if the product that we want to get is supported by another manufacturer device. So application type, we have a device. Profiles, the basic for video systems is a profile G for storage and S for streaming. Oh, that's the basic one. We'll go for Hikvision like we did. We were putting to work a Hikvision and Dahua. Hikvision digital technology and pressing search. You'll probably get just a huge list because these profiles are the most common ones. Yeah, almost 4,000 products. And now you can see this includes cameras, this includes video recorders, well, same for any other manufacturer. So why does it actually matter to pay attention to ONVIF support when selecting the security-related IP product, well, such as a IP camera, video recorder, or appliance like related to access control? Well, because whenever you are going to add to your existing system something new, and there will be a device of another company, of another manufacturer, regardless of these limitations that those are different manufacturers and different products, you will easily make your system work even if it consists of completely different products. And about us, contact us in the People Systems store and we will help you select your perfect IP video surveillance system or access control or whatever, supporting ONVIF and many other features. And we've got a lot of brands presented and we can assemble your perfect system from a completely different devices, but it will work just great. Need help, questions, descriptions of your tasks? They're always welcome in the comment section below the video. And not a single one will go unanswered. Thank you for watching.